Nalor ki weipat ki Nongïalehkai martial arts ki baki kena bat ki samla jong kani ke jela Meghalaya khamtam ki bana ke pri nyuk trap sa ka weipat ke Nongïalehkai ke balastang man khrengi ki Nongïalehkai martial arts Haki ni ki sngi bamenta kadai ru ke mix martial arts ke bawatla kadai ke Nongïalehkai ke bahakani ke jela Sdang nadu ki snam ka khandai spa khandai pokle sheneng handai ki babon ki dang Sdang phai khmat Haki ni ki sngi bamenta kumba ka long menta ki babon ki kena bat ki samla khasi kilas dang man phai khmat shakani ke Nongïalehkai Kepala pau omtang hakani kari India jungi Henry hakapertai hi Barakway kamtam hakari Amerika.
Dia kena bandung kongtam menjoin hakani ke gym, hakani ke ground pound MMA gym. Wa seng nungkong hakani ke nungkong kamdi ke MMA bangi Sdang, jadi Muay Thai, Muay Boran. Jadi ke Thailand kickboxing benong simple way. Ubaseng kini udah Thai ke sana udah napu Manipur. Senem kan kat kandai sepa andai pusau ngadi ukna ban kong tam bajoin hakani ka school te aden kandai pu prapat usar jeng uyap no aden ba uyap ngasa simcha ngasa paniai mangai kani ka school bat hadu mentam ne ko bakalong ngi Kiew lengba suki paski de lengba isar jeng taiga sana belak club no ngasan sedang nungkong ban fight pro kade senem 1998 Hakade ka Mahendra Verma kickboxing ke balong po Mumbai. Te hadin tu ter ngale pro Muay Thai boxing. Hadin ngale ki kat ke bedon ki tournament ki badai martial arts ngale lo hi ki badai jiu-jitsu ngale hi ki badai jong wrestling ngale hi long wada ka wishu ka ba don haslong ngai le mensua.
Dangshen ya Rynsan mixed martial arts kebahetam hakari India jungi hi Barakway layo ban pelong hakani gunung ba shalong ya kebalatep kom ka first national mixed martial arts ya kebala pelong haki arts ngilanter hapo tirot sing indoor stadium Shillong hakaba hadu khatsangot kirang Nongïalehkai nakani ke jela kilai shementa kantopru ya kawai ke kantai Ki fighters ki bala ki ban off record ro ki bon he ki ba on record ro ki don he ki ba off record ki ba lapau sabar kum Sylvester Malay nangta olkin umba agde ki bala don hakapo ka special force jong police ki de ki bala job teng sa world Muay Thai championship ka de ka pro fight de ki amateur fight kum balong ki we ki Muay Thai ki ba lalek fight teng Chiang Mai sa Thailand don ki we ki ba don on record kum Anastasia Sdang sngi de bala job world champion babat record juga first MMA belt record hapo Meghalaya demo he bayo title belt dapi wat YouTube don Anastasia Sdang natangi don Anthony Simli ni ro di we bala fight international natangi don Jennifer Ingti gede ka female fighters ka ba undisputed ka bang jure madu mitara to boong no clean pareng you may like it or not tama kani gede true fact ba MMA gede the fastest growing sport hapo pertai minta kadang Sdang 1993 hapo haswa tu kedon ke pancreation kedon K1 re ke bapau bah ke hadin bagau UFC senem kendai pulai ke Sdang ke sapau bah ke MMA tiap mentah kalau Asia ke we ke sport ke Kiew state bah bani ke we ke sport pila ada pisu tenat film su tenat kata ke Indonesia bah MMA ke sports ke bah ke baru ke we pertai ke pai keman.
Kumba kalong hakini kisngi bon ngot ki khna bar ki samla nakane kari lom khasi bajantia kidan hapadang ka jingpen khre ban minon ban pentebet ilade hapo ka jing pentebet jong ba course marwen ban lej shemanta shakaran san yakob jong ka mixed martial arts ka ban salong saha ka jilla Nagaland hakani ka than chatela mengi ka ban long haka arpun reu bar arpun yo trek mentau bna risau arajar kat pra na padang Nongïalehkai ki ban lej shemanta hakani karan san hapo Nagaland sawngot naki kidai na ka than tri boy Bakan thop pia ke Jennifer Engti u Daniel Damlong u Pranjal Bordaloi bat ulan koridor Kharmandai.
Ngala fight Tyson ngala ngampat ram de chisin ro nga po Bangalore ngala job hi kada UFC de bok fight night. Tenat ni chakmat ro nga ko alik biang nani na Nagaland ro dang don ka we ka fight. Nga ko hi ban job nani na Nagaland ro nga train hard. Nga ko ban job biang.
Stop! Hey! Stop! Hey! Ready position. Hey! Hey! Run back, run back. Hey! Go, run back. Hey! Go. Hey! Come on. Hey! Hey! Good. Hey! Again. Sweet squat. Hey! Turn back. Hey! Turn back. Go. Hey! Turn back. Hey! Hey! Stop! Hey! Down! Jab! Hey! Elbow! Jab! Elbow! Hey!
Kita nyo ada Daniel Lamlong sab marngar ngapulan ni Rifle College ambek na ing man kasngi on practice level J. Kau debut juga ada Nongïalehkai om Sdang apa tarik Januari buat join nongrom ngarem yang lawan join biang aku Nongïalehkai biang aku job biang entah tentang ada fight Nagaland apa new tarik aku job biang entah karena di second fight juga asngop tenat ni Nongïalehkai ni MMA nandu mensuang aku Nongïalehkai ngalam tala dan sis nem tam wala dan la wajah MMA aku job yang kita
Nalor ki Nongïalehkai nakani kari lom khasi bajantia hakani ka jaka aji kai ki khna ba ki samla ki badan ka jingang not ban pentebet ilade haka mixed martial arts kidan ru ki samla ki banabar jala ki bawan shahikai hangni ki ban ka jala Assam ka bat CTV klayoro ban tuat jingmot nakani ki samla ki bala penpau ya ka jingang not jongki ban pentebet ilade hakani ki Nongïalehkai mixed martial arts.
My name is Kim Kashyap Sharma. I'm basically from Guwahati. So we are here because actually Kora sir is my guru, and from a long time we are coming here for training under him, and we have a gym in Guwahati that's the MMA, Kyokushin Karate and Fitness Gym. So like we used to come down to Nongpo for training basically, and we come whenever there is a holiday or Sundays we used to come down and we used to train here with sir. And actually right now what we are planning is to organize a big event in Guwahati. It will be basically a fighting event of MMA, and for that reason what we are planning is a collaboration with that's MMA and Ground and Pound Nongpo. So we will be conducting a big event there, and this MMA game will include international fighters also. Fighters will be coming from Australia, America, and other Indian fighters are also there. So that is what we are here for, like looking for some collaboration and all. So that is what we are doing right now. There is only one purpose, because he is my teacher. From a long time he is my teacher. Whatever I do, whatever steps I am taking in martial arts, he is the only one we are looking for. Any steps that I take, any decision that I take, I'll ask Chorus sir first, and after that I take the decision. No matter it's a karate game or MMA game, whatever game. And he has inaugurated our gym. He came to Guwahati to inaugurate our gym. So that is a big thing for us. And for that reason, like we are collaborating with, it is not about states, it's basically, he's my guru, he's my teacher. That is why we are with him. That is the reason. Basically, like whatever the proceeding have been done and whatever we have to do, he is guiding us. Like, you need to do this, you need to do that, you have done this, now this part is left. So that way he is guiding us. Every time we get the time off, like we used to come down, we used to discuss, we used to show him the project, like these are the things that are done, because we don't want anything like go wrong in the event. So we want to do it a very good and clean event. As everyone know, sir has done lots of events in Meghalaya and Shillong. So now GNP is also coming up in other states also. So that way we are basically promoting MMA. Together we are making this thing a good game. The challenge is like we'll have to see that Indian fighters win the game. That is what. And that's what, like from the sponsorship side also we are getting a positive response. So hopefully the game will go great. That's fun.
I like to fight. I love martial art very well, and I encourage people to get into martial art, or like at least they can defend themselves in the street or say at their home also. Defense is like required for everyone. So I encourage everyone to join martial arts. Everyone, it's a basic need. It has become a basic need to learn some fighting techniques to survive in the world. So this is my main motto, to like promote this game, promote this art to each and everyone. That's because we organize some like free self-defense camps in Guwahati, and we are expanding in like entire Assam now. And we have named it as Divas to Defense. Okay, so where like here what we do, we go to many schools and colleges, we take out the girls, and sometimes boys also join us, because defense is required for everyone. We teach them few self-defense techniques, a few quick techniques. We teach them the kabosi techniques to get out of the situation, to make them mentally prepare how to survive in the world, how to face some challenges in everything. So we are doing Divas to Defense for everyone. Everyone, it's free completely.
Hey, harder. Hey, left, right. Yes. One, left, right elbow. Elbow. Yes. Yes, come on, push up. Hey, 2. Hey, 3. Hey, 4. Hey, 5. Hey, left change. Come on. Left, hey, 2. Hey, 3. Hey, 4. Hey, 5.